have a new European unicorn in humanoid robotics. Samsung created a new CEO level robotics division. We're seeing how humanoids will work with other robot types. And we have a new, bigger estimate for the value of the humanoid robot ecosystem. Hello and welcome to Humanoids Daily. We're going to dive right in. The biggest story today is from London, UK. Humanoid raised $152 million, Series A, at a $1.35 billion valuation. That brings its total funding to $270 million. It's pretty remarkable for a young company, only 2 years old. It's already signed a deal with Schaeffler. Could deploy 1,000, maybe 5,000 robots there. It's brought on Bosch as both an investor and manufacturing partner. It says it has something like production capacity of around up to 100,000 over the next 5 years. I just recently visited their headquarters in London, and it's pretty interesting. They've hired more than 50 experts from Boston Dynamics, Sanctuary AI in Vancouver, Apptronic, 1X, which makes Neo. So they're learning really, really quickly because they're acquiring people who have the knowledge. They're also doing a wheeled robot first, which works well for their chosen market, warehousing, logistics, manufacturing. They are working on a bipedal version as well. That will come a little later. Quick hit here on Samsung. They've created a new office of the CEO around robotics. In fact, humanoid robotics. It reports directly to the CEO, will lead all of its robot strategy, want all of their factories to be AI driven by 2030. And they're going to use humanoid robots, logistics, and assembly robots as well to move towards autonomous manufacturing. It's a big deal. They're a big company. They do a lot, and it's interesting, worth paying attention to. Also, KEENON Robotics is showing what might be a very practical vision for humanoids in commercial settings very, very soon. Instead of replacing everything with humanoids, they're demonstrating mixed fleets. Humanoids, they might be loading laundry or picking things up, doing last mile tasks, but also specialized robots, wheeled robots, robots that are fixed in place. The future might not just be humanoids everywhere, 10,000, 100,000, 100 million of them, but multiple swarms of robots working together with different form factors. And last but not least, we have a new number for the size of the global humanoid robot market. Could be $50 billion by 2035, according to a new report from Markets and Research. Forecasts are always just forecasts, but the direction is pretty clear. Every week we're seeing more funding, more partnerships, and more deployments. This is Humanoid Daily. Hope you enjoyed it. Check back tomorrow for the next version.